Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on Vivo Y21S. And to do this, first we'll need to locate all of the speakers on this device. First one is at the bottom, that's a main speaker. Next is right here, and that's a phone call speaker, and that's basically all of them. And to determine if they are stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music, cover each of the speakers with our fingers. If the sound is coming from both of the sources, that's a stereo speaker. If the sound is coming only from one source, that's a mono speaker. Let's try it out. So clearly sound is coming only from a bottom speaker, and that means this phone doesn't have a stereo speakers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.